In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on Shein using Gcash. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from adding items to your cart to checking out smoothly with Gcash without any confusion along the way. First, open your Shein account. You can do this on the app or the website, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're signed in so everything you add to your cart is saved to your account. This helps your checkout go faster and keeps your order details in one place. Next, shop as you normally would. Browse the catalogue, choose your items, pick the right sizes and colours, and add them to your cart. Take a quick moment to review your cart when you're done. Look over the items, quantities, and any discounts that might apply. It's always a good idea to make sure everything looks correct before you proceed. When you're ready, go to your cart and continue to the checkout page to place your order. On the checkout screen, you'll see your order summary and the payment options available in your region. Here, select Gcash as your payment method. You should see a clear option for it among the listed methods. After selecting Gcash, click or tap Continue. This is important because it triggers the secure handoff to Gcash for payment. You'll be redirected to Gcash to complete the transaction. Simply follow the prompts on your screen. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to confirm the amount, authenticate your payment, or approve the charge. Keep an eye on the total shown and make sure it matches what you saw on Shein. Don't close the window or hit the back button while this is processing. Just allow a few moments for Gcash to verify everything. Once you approve the payment in Gcash, you'll be redirected back to Shein. You should see a confirmation that your order has been placed successfully. If the page takes a moment to update, that's normal. Just give it a little time. If anything seems stuck, refresh the page once and check your order status in your account's order section. A couple of simple tips help this go smoothly. Use a stable internet connection, keep your Gcash app ready if it's needed for authentication, and double-check the amount before approving. If you ever see a mismatch or an error, cancel the attempt and start the payment step again from the checkout page. And that's it. Open your Shein account, add your items to the cart, choose Gcash at checkout, click Continue, and follow the prompts. You're all set to pay on Shein using Gcash with confidence.